Okay, this is a jam question, so let's look at it one after the other. I'm going to take my time and analyze all this. You're welcome. So let's look at the question here. So we are asked to simplify 3 bracket open to raised to power n plus 1 bracket close minus 4 bracket open 2 raised to power n minus 1 bracket close over 2 raised to power n plus 1 minus 2n. Now the first thing we need to look at is to simplify this. First, what do we need to do here? We have 3 bracket 2 raised to power n plus 1 minus 2 raised to power 2 bracket 2 n minus 1. Now in this form we can continue because 2 raised to power 2 gives me 4. Now we have 2 raised to power n plus 1 minus 2 raised to power n. Now in this case we can say 3 bracket 2n plus 1 minus. Now if you look at this very well, this is the same base and it's multiplying. What do? When there is a multiplication sign, you add what? The powers. So it means that this is going to be 2 raised to power. I will hold one base, then n minus 1 time n minus 1 plus 2 over 2 raised to power n plus 1 minus 2 raised to power n. Now in this form now, what do you think we are going to do? In that part, we say 3 raised to power 2 n plus 1 minus 2 raised to power minus 1 plus 2 will actually give me n minus n plus 1. Okay, so in that form, I can find the factors between these. Can it work? It can work by also splitting these also. This 2 raised to power n plus 1 is the same thing as saying 2 raised to power n multiplied by 2. So that you know that there is power 1 here. If I collect the same base, it becomes n plus 1. I'm correct. Minus what? 2 raised to power n. Okay, so in that form, I'm going to find the factor of this and that. So if I want to find the factor of this, I'll bring out 2 raised to power n plus 1 bracket 3 minus 1. So that if I multiply this back, it will give me 3 bracket 2n plus 1. Then if I multiply this, it give me 2n plus 1. So in that form, I can do the same thing to this part. Now here we have